today. We're gonna learn and play, sing a song and pray. That's right. God really loves us. God really, really cares about you, me, our families. That's right. God's always right there. Woo! Let me fix my curls. You've tuned into Callie's world. That's right, boys and girls. Welcome to Callie's world. Hello, friends. Today is a very special day. A day that I have been waiting and waiting for. It's Sunflower Selfie Day. What is Sunflower Selfie Day, you ask? Only one of Callie's new 50s of the year. To explain, I'm gonna need just a minute. A while ago, me and my best buddy Chip planted sunflower seeds in the community garden. And then we made a plan. When the sunflowers got as tall as me, then we would have a sunflower selfie day where we would take lots and lots of pics with those yellow, beautiful flowers. I've got so many outfits picked out. I wonder what Chip will wear for sunflower selfie day. Well, he's a squirrel, so probably fur, right? I've got to hurry and go meet Chip at the community garden. I'm so excited! Let's go! Hey, Chip, are you excited for Sunflower Selfie Day? I can't believe it's finally here. I'm just so... What's wrong?
I have to tell you something.
What?
I know you were really excited for today, and I'm so sorry, but some animals got into the community garden, and Gardener Stacy just told me that all the sunflowers, they got...
What happened?
Well, I guess the animals like the sunflowers, so they're all gone.
What do you mean?
Gardener Stacy said that some got eaten and some were stepped on. They're all ruined. I asked all my squirrel friends. We're thinking it must have been Randy the raccoon and his crew. They've been known to do this before. I mean, they're so cool. But they love sunflowers. I'm so sorry, Callie. I know you're sad.
I am really sad. I was super duper scooper excited for Sunflower Selfie Day. I had all my outfits picked out. I even brought my bee outfit, Chip. I'm so sad that it kinda hurts. Have you ever felt like that, Chip?
Yeah, I have, Callie.
Have you ever felt so sad that it hurts, friends? It's not a good feeling. It makes me feel a little better that Chip has felt like this before. I wonder if there's anyone else who has been so sad that it hurt. I'm gonna keep wondering about that while we check out our Bible story for today.
Today's Bible story comes from Matthew chapter 26. Jesus just finished having a dinner with his closest friends. It was the last meal that he would have with them. This was because something terrible was going to happen. One of Jesus' close friends would turn against him. After that, he would be taken away. Before this happened, Jesus took Peter, James, and John to a place to pray. Jesus felt very sad and wanted to be with friends during this time. You see, God's plan was for Jesus to save us from our sins. You know, all the things we do that hurt God and hurt others. Jesus knew all about hurt. He was just about to go through the worst pain you could imagine. Jesus' heart was hurting. Jesus prayed to God. Jesus asked God if it was possible to not have to go through something so painful. But Jesus also knew it was part of God's bigger plan. After praying for a while, Jesus found Peter, James, and John sleeping. Jesus was sad and upset. Jesus hoped they would stay up and pray too. Jesus prayed a second and third time. Jesus prayed the same prayer as before. And after each time, Jesus came back to find the tired friends sleeping. Right after praying the third time, Jesus was captured by soldiers and taken away. He knew more pain and more hurt was up ahead. When we go through hard and painful times, our heart hurts too. We might think no one knows how we feel or see what is happening to us, but that's not true at all. Jesus understands when we're hurting.
I was so excited about Sunflower Selfie Day. Then I came to the community garden and found out that all the sunflowers we planted were ruined. That made me so sad. That it actually hurt. It's not fun at all. But it does make me feel better to know that Jesus actually knows what it's like to be so sad that it hurts. And what Jesus had to go through was so much worse than some ruined flowers.
Well, Callie, look what I found. There was one sunflower left lying on the ground. I know it's not much, but I thought it might cheer you up.
Thanks, Chip. That does help me feel a little better. You are a good friend, and Jesus is the best bestest friend because he understands everything I'm feeling. Like when I'm feeling hurt. I guess we could celebrate that. What do you say, Chip? Sunflower Selfie Day with this one sunflower?
Acorn-tastic. That was fun, Callie.
Where are you going?
To get more sunflower seeds. We gotta start over again. Oh, and this time, I'll talk to Randy the raccoon. They're my friends, so they'll steer clear next time.
Cool. Thanks, Chip. I'm still sad that Sunflower Selfie Day wasn't as cool as it could have been. Yeah, that still kinda hurts. But having a friend with me when it hurt made it easier to get through. Friends, I hope you never get so sad that it hurts. But if you do, remember your pal Callie. And Chip, we get you, and we got you. And the most important thing, remember what Jesus went through for all of us, so that we could always know. Jesus understands when we're hurting. Thanks for learning and growing with us. Peace out!